In this video, I'll show you how to join the official Animal Hospital Discord server, one of the most popular Roblox games right now. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support it. First, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device. Then, click the plus or Add a Server button and select Join a Server. In the Invite link field, enter exactly the code shown on the screen. I'll also leave the invite code in the description below to make it easier for you. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, including any uppercase and lowercase letters, or the invite may not work. Once you've confirmed that the code is correct, click Join Server. You'll then be taken to the official Animal Hospital Roblox Discord server. Before you can access all the channels, you'll need to verify your account. To do that, click Verify, then select Verify with Roblox link. A new page will open in your web browser. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to link account to Discord. Once the verification process is complete, you'll be redirected back to Discord. After that, you'll have full access to the server, where you can chat with other players, stay up to date with the latest news and updates, and participate in the Animal Hospital community. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and guides.